Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another Davinci Resolve editing tutorial. Today I want to tell you about the importance of compound clips and just how many issues that they shockingly solve, funnily enough. So if you don't know what a compound clip is, I don't blame you. It's not the most needed thing. Basically a compound clip is exactly what it sounds like. It's a compound clip. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just regular clips. It's actually the same clip, just that I've trimmed down. As you can see, I've had a couple of jump cuts imported to them. So what you want to do, if you want to make a compound clip, you want to have all of your selected clips, whether it's just 2. Then right click on them, and at the very top it says new compound clip. And then you literally just merge them into one thing. You can do this with an infinite amount. You can do this with a whole timeline to make it into one big thing. And the thing that this helps with the most is, for some strange reason, sometimes when you want to add a transition in between 2 clips, it won't let you. And I think I know vaguely sometimes why this happens, but no, it's not always obvious. Sometimes it won't let you put a transition between 2 clips. Like, let's say I wanted to put the blur transition right here, but it wouldn't let me. What I could do is put my playhead above the cut, and then turn this into a compound clip, and then do a cut in the compound clip, and then it will let me do it. So that's one use that compound clips have. It allows you to do transitions flawlessly. Something to note is that you can't actually do a transition between a compound clip and a regular clip. So if you wanted to do a transition between these two, you would have to include it in the compound, then do a split, and then put it here. So as you can see, fully functioning. Another amazing use for compound clips, I'm now in a different video, is simplifying things. So this is a montage that I'm editing. Let me just quickly turn down the audio so it doesn't blast your eardrums. But I have kind of 2 sections. This is the first section, and then that would go all the way up until about here. And then I had a second section. The first section isn't done because I haven't actually got the gameplay to finish it. But the second section is completely done. And it looked exactly like this, except 3 times as complicated, and it was this long. And I just selected all of it and added it to a compound clip. So as you can see, it is edited. This does have all these transitions, it has effects, it has all that crap, but it's one clip because I made it all into one compound clip. And that helps a lot for simplifying things in my editing process. So I know that this is done, so it's completely out of the way, and it's not taking up space. And especially when I do get towards the end, I don't accidentally override any of it. Yeah, also it speeds up the timeline a bit when you play through it, because normally this would be a very complicated thing for Davinci to render. But it's not now, because instead of having all the effects and all that bullshit, it's just a compound clip. It's just more simplistic. Those are just a few of the compound clip uses that I found, but they are more useful than you thought. Thank you for watching, and stay awesome as always, and peace out.